Hey, how's it going? Welcome back if you're new. If you're not new, oh my gosh, welcome back. Or hello, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, comment what you would like to see next, and like if you enjoyed. So, in the video, which is going to be in a second, we are going to, Rosie, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool, like, jellyfish in a bottle thing with very little ingredients. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you will need is a glass jar and the lid, of course. I'm just doing a voiceover here. Then you will need some scissors. And, okay, so after that, you will need a mixing material or just like a little spoon or a poking stick. I'm using a paintbrush. And you will also need some paint or food coloring. It doesn't really matter. So, and, oh, sorry, also you'll need a plastic bag. Now what you want to do is first take the lid off your jar or your container that you're going to use. And right now, I'm just going to fill it with water. Okay, so I am back and I filled it about like 3/4 of the way full. Make sure you leave about half an inch at the top. And I'm going to take my paint or food coloring. And you just want to add a tiny bit. That's why I made that little finger thing. So squeeze in just a teensy tiny little bit of paint. You want to be careful not to put too much in. And then mix it up. I'm using the back end rather than the brush end because it already has purple in it and I don't want that to blend in. Although that would have been a nice color, but whatever. Sorry, I have like a cold or something. So, as you can see, my water got a little bit of blue tinted. So that's really nice. So now I'm all good, so you can see. As I'm editing, I realize how ridiculous I am sometimes. So now you want to cut off the corner of a plastic bag. Make sure you don't cut off too much like I did. And have to cut off a little bit more. Sorry, I did not show a lot of this with me cutting the thing. And then make sure to cut some slits in the bag to make it look like a jellyfish. And I'm playing with it right now, listening to this calm music that you hear in the background. Hopefully it's loud enough. It's so calming. Oh, pretty. So, I didn't tint it too much because you don't want to not be able to see your little jellyfish that I showed you. So just take it, kind of scrunch it up, and then stick it in there, and I'm just shoving it in there with my pokey paintbrush, and then you want to mix it around to get it kind of like in there. And make sure you put the cap on really tight. I'm just going to undo it because I didn't get it on all the way. So make sure you screw it on really tight so that when you flip it upside down. So yeah, that is basically it. How to make a jellyfish in a bottle. Pretty easy. Let me tell you something. This is so stress relieving to play with. I love it. Just look at that beauty. So, one thing I did learn from this is make sure you do, because I experimented with this a couple times, make sure you don't fill it all the way up so it has room to move around. And make sure you don't put too much color so you can't see the plastic bag inside. Because that's why I used a gray black bag so you could see it better. Because if I used a clear bag, you probably couldn't see it at all. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like. And if you didn't, well, don't like at all. And remember to have a nice day. Bye.